Going to do a walk around of my K4000 GSXR turbo. I did do one video when I first got it, but it's had quite a lot of changes done to it since then, so I thought I'd just go over them. So if we just have a quick walk around the bike, then explain some bits on it. So starting up here, got a sprint adjustable dampener, got a custom key that I think is pretty cool. MotoGP grips. See, Akaseto master cylinder, Akaseto clutch lever assembly. We've blanked off the headlight. Got a Translogic quick shifter with a on the fly adjuster here. Also a gear selector at the top. The mirrors have been changed over. Then coming down to the front, you see that the wheels are not normal wheels. They are OZ racing wheels, B1s to be exact. Brembo M4 calipers with braided lines, one going down separately to each caliper. And then if you look here, you see my wastegate, you see the side exit pipes. Through there you can see part of the turbo. There's the filter for the actual turbo itself. We've changed the side stand. We've put Goals rear sets on. There's the Translogic quick shifter. Then if you look at the back, also obviously another OZ racing wheel. And looking at the back, we've got a Öhlins remote adjustable rear suspension. Coming on to this side, we'll see we've got a Brembo rear brake also. Got a lock-up clutch fitted, just due to the power that it's running. It should be around 300 brake, but I do need to put it on a dyno. You'll also notice that the top yoke's not standard. The front forks are K5, whereas this is K4. The rear swing arm is also K5. And apart from that, there might be a few other little mods here and there, like mirrors, seat covers, tank, but that's most of the main work there. It doesn't have a power commander. The ECU's been flashed on it. Can't see it very well, but if you look through there, you'll see there's the blow-off valve or dump valve. You can't see anything in the video, so I've included this picture. So fire it up.